In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link items between boards in Monday.com. This process is wonderful for streamlining your workflow and ensuring all your information is up to date and interconnected across different boards. Let's dive straight into it. First, to get started, you'll want to add a new column to your board. Simply locate the plus icon next to the last column you currently have. Click on that plus icon, which opens a menu where you can search for the type of column you want to add. In this case, search for Connect. Once you spot it, go ahead and select it. This will trigger a prompt asking you to choose all those boards you'd like to connect this new column to. As you go through this selection process, keep in mind that by checking the boxes of each desired board, you're establishing the connections necessary for data synchronization. Now, there's another option available here that you might want to consider for added functionality: a two-way connection. You can enable this by checking another option labeled Create a Two-Way Connection. This feature ensures that changes made to one board will automatically reflect on the others, fostering a seamless data flow. Once you're set on your selections, click on Connect Boards to finalize this step. After you've connected your boards, the system will prompt you again. This time, it's requesting your permission to create a mirror column. A mirror column is a powerful tool that displays data from your connected boards right alongside your existing board data, making it all easily viewable and accessible. So go ahead and click on Create a Mirror Column. This will add that mirror column to your board, giving you a great vantage point over your interlinked data. To make active use of these features, start by clicking on an empty cell under the New Connect column. From there, you can select the item or row you wish to connect to. Doing this links the specific item to the other board, and you'll be able to track it effectively. Moving over to the mirror column, you have the flexibility to choose which columns you want to mirror. Once you've made your selections, you'll observe that the values mirror exactly what you connected the items to. It's like magic, but with data. Now, if you've opted for that earlier two-way connection, any changes you make in the mirror column will automatically be reflected back in the original column of the other board. Feel free to repeat this process, adding more mirror columns if you need to mirror additional data points. This feature is endlessly useful for keeping your information in alignment across multiple boards. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully linked items between boards in Monday.com. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next tutorial.